Good morning, dear students. Today we are also going to revise grammar according to board pattern. First of all, let's see the passage of gap filling. The Delhi police dash a gang of robbers who dash a bank of 20 crores. Four options are there: catch, head court, will catch. The Delhi police dash a gang of robbers. Correct option is कोर्ट कि दिल्ली पुलिस ने गैंग ऑफ रॉबर्स को पकड़ा. हु डैश अ बैंक ऑफ 20 करोड़. फोर ऑप्शंस वर रॉबिंग, रॉब्ड, वुड रॉब, रॉब. सो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस हियर. हु रॉब्ड अ बैंक. द अरेस्टेड आइडेंटिफाइड एज ब्रदर्स हु डैश टू पंजाब एंड हैड कमिटेड मेनी रॉबरीज देयर. फोर ऑप्शंस आर देयर. बिलोंग्ड, वर बिलोंगिंग, बिलोंग्स, बिलोंग. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बिलोंग्ड. क्लियर कि पूरा ही पैसेज आपका पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में जा रहा है कि द अरेस्टेड आइडेंटिफाइड एज ब्रदर हु बिलोंग टू पंजाब एंड हैड कमिटेड मेनी रॉबरीज देयर. नेक्स्ट वन, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स टू कंप्लीट द नरेशन. सो लेट्स सी द इंफॉर्मेशन that is given in this picture. It feels like I have been inside forever. I can't go to the movie theater or pizza parlor. I miss my classmate. ठीक है, Tom is saying here. Anne Frank and her family spent 2 years in an attic. His father is saying here कि Anne Frank and her family spent 2 years in an attic. Yee, I expected that. Blank look and no comment. Tommy was over dash home. Four options are there: with staying at, by stay at, because of his stay, as he was staying at. So correct option is with staying at home. Tommy was over with staying at home. He tells his father that he had been feeling as if he had been inside forever. He dash, he can't go to the movie theater or pizza parlor. Four options are there: told that, says that, exclaims that, adds that. Which option is correct? D, adds that. He adds that he cannot go to the movie theater. ठीक है, यहाँ हम प्रेजेंट टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग ही फिल करेंगे. सो सेज और एक्सक्लेम्स आर रॉन्ग. ही एड्स दैट ही कांट गो टू द मूवी थिएटर और पिज़्ज़ा पार्लर. Moreover, he misses his classmates. After listening to his son, Tommy's father tells him that Anne Frank and her family spent 2 years in an attic. This dash Tommy. Four options are there: horrifies, shatters, upsets, frightened. This frightened Tommy. Looking at his expression, Tommy's father added that he expected this reaction. Next one, filling the blanks by choosing the correct options for any 4 of the 6 sentences given below. Once upon a time, there dash a man called Damocles. 4 options are there: lived, was living, was alive, live. Correct option is there lived a man called Damocles. Next one, he gave me a lecture in which he pointed dash an error in the book. 4 options are there: by, with, out, in. He gave me a lecture in which he pointed out an error in the book. Next one, everyone dash save the natural resources of the earth. 4 options are there: might, must, could, dare. These are models. Correct option is must. Everyone must save the natural resources of the earth. Next one, only one of the boys dash not done the homework given yesterday. 4 options are there: can, could, has, have. Correct option is has. Here we follow the rule of subject verb agreement. One of the boys. One of is used to describe one person or thing out of a number of person or things. So the verb used is singular because we are talking about one thing. कि वन ऑफ द बॉयज़ की बॉयज़ में से वन, तो वन इज सब्जेक्ट हेयर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट वी यूज़ सिंगुलर वर्ब. सो हैज़ इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओनली वन ऑफ द बॉयज़ हैज़ नॉट डन द होमवर्क गिवन yesterday. It is time we dash with determination. 4 options are there: act, acted, will act, have acted. Correct option is acted. It is time we acted with determination. Next one, a speed limit is the dash legal speed that you can travel on the road. Highest, biggest, maximum, longest. Correct option is highest. A speed limit is the highest legal speed that you can travel on the road. I hope you understand very well. Thank you.